Yeah. Yeah, well, he'll let you go and come back.
We're filming.
Okie doke. Bye. Oh, I'm gonna put it back because they were off so long until they needed. Put the other one back on the cradle too.
Where is the other
The
one?
one in the kitchen.
Ah,
That was the one that was off the longest.
that doesn't make any difference once it charges.
Oh.
Not like you got hurt because it stayed off longer.
Okay, here it comes. Now you're making a squashy poo, huh? Now you're making a squashy poo. Sitting up grunting a squashy poo out. Yeah, now you're gonna make a squashy poo.